Primetime news this evening, shocking details about teen killed in police confrontation in Westmoreland.
SSL compensation time period announced.
And later, no cause for alarm. The Ministry of Health responds to concerns about water quality. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now here with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association is predicting job losses in the manufacturing sector and across the broader economy. I'll tell you why in the business day.
Thanks, Chizzy. And I don't think Spencer Darlington went to JC or Titchfield.
Not at all.
So he's here to tell us about what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, one school took the decision not to send their athletes to this year's pen relays in the United States. Guess what? It caused a disruption this afternoon on the campus. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the biggest change is that there is likely to be an increase in clouds and shower activity across the island this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We do have a frontal trough that's moving through the area that should be producing some showers across most parishes.
I feel like that's good news, but we'll hear more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime as well as sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking who will be crowned Schools Challenge Quiz champions, Jamaica College or Titchfield High?
I have a feeling there are going to be a lot of responses. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.